Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. Welcome to another Dollar Tree DIY. Look at all this fun stuff I have. So let me go ahead and go over it with you. I've got some little flowers. I'm not sure which ones I'll be using. I've got the little palette. These are so cute. Got the maple leaves. I got a ton of those. And then I've got a little beaker test tube. I found this on Amazon. I will put a link down below for you if you are interested. And then the wooden words. I'm going to be using the Hello Autumn. And I have some of my leaves. And then I have a couple of the wood blocks. They come in a package also from the Dollar Tree. So we're going to make a little flower stand that is going to be perfect for a little tiered tray or some type of home decor. So I've got my glue gun. It is heating up. And then you may also want to have some of the wired jute cord if you are interested. If not, that's fine. I won't be using it, but I will show you how I was planning on putting it down until my mind went crazy and I did a little something different. So let's go ahead and get started, shall we? First thing we're going to do is we're not going to need this little guy, but we may need him in the future. So we'll just throw him in the future box. And this little guy is going to go right here. And then we are going to arrange our leaves on how we're going to want them. And I'm thinking this guy wants to go there. A green leaf maybe heading like that. And then we'll have a leaf here. And don't worry about it crossing over. That is going to be fine. And then we'll put a little yellow kind of falling leaf there. And I think, and maybe I'm going to find one more little leaf. And we'll put that on here as well. So cute. All right, so we've got our placement of this stuff and where we want it. I'm going to move that just a little bit out of the way. I'm going to get my little wood pieces here, and this is what's going to make it stand up nice and straight. So we're going to get our hot glue and put that hot glue right on here, and then get it flush with the bottom, and I'm putting it right in the center of this end piece. And I'm going to do the same with this one. Just like that. And then we know where we want our leaves, so we're going to start putting those guys down. Just a little bit here and there to go over. Like that. I think I had another one kind of falling down. Just like that. Another guy coming across here. Again, I still don't know what's going on with my hot glue. Now this is a green one, so the green one is still alive, so I want to make sure he's not falling, but more sticking up, right? Like that. And then we'll get a little yellow one right in there. Oh my goodness, so adorable. I'll try not to do that because that is where your sign's going. So, all right, I'm taking that glue off. Of course, it wouldn't be me if I didn't have some kind of upset happening. Now I am using all these colors that they just go so well together, so I am not painting them at all. But if you wanted to paint them, they would look really cute painted in any color. Just trying to take this little piece of glue off. I'm going to use my little scissors here. There we go. So if that happens to you, just get a little pair of scissors and it will come right off. Maybe. There we go. It's stuck in between the autumn. There we go. All right. Now we're going to put this guy down. And this is where you could, if you wanted to, use the string to tie it. So you would tie it around through here and back and then up, and then you could hang it if you wanted to, but we're going to put ours just sitting straight up. So since we are going to do that sitting straight up, I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue where this would be meeting. And I'm going to put a little bit on the sides here where it's not going to show too much, but still hold that little beaker. Okay. And then I am going to tilt it up because we want it to be sitting nice and flat. And you'll see that little beaker right on there. Then you're going to take your Hello Autumn, and it sits a little bit higher. I'm going to show you. So it sits a little bit higher, but they're bendable and they've got the perfect bend. And when I bend that around, it just makes it pop even more. So I'm looking here. I'm going to put that on the edge down toward the bottom, and I'm looking to see, I'm going to put some hot glue on the N and the A to be able to hold that down. And then you could put a little bit on that U because that U is going to be holding as well. And since I'm doing that, I'm sure this has gotten a little bit cold because you do have to act rather quickly. And we're going to put that right down, and we're just going to hold it in place there for a moment. This is so adorable. And then we're just going to pick what flower we want. This is a really pretty flower. I think this white would look really good depending on what you are doing with your, your tray, if you do a tiered tray, or what your background is going to be. And then I'm just going to get a piece of these scissors. They're heavy duty. They're actually made for cutting rubber, but they work really well. And then you just put your little guy in there, and it is a great little holder. You could also fill this little guy with some leaves down in there if you wanted to do that. You could always put a leaf or two right in here. It is just such a cute, fun little DIY. So I hope you like it. I will show you pictures in just a moment. And if you do like this, please give me a big thumbs up. I thank you so much for sticking around to the end. And if you want to see any more DIYs, let me know in the comments down below. All right, beauties, have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.